Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Deb and I create videos on beauty, on lifestyle, on fashion, on eating, traveling, just really whatever tickles my pants. Know what I mean? Well, anyway, today's video is actually going to be about beauty because I have 3 beauty subscriptions, one for Birchbox, one for Ipsy, and one for the Macy's beauty box. And I can't get enough of it. I freaking love them so much. It's like me gifting myself something every single month. And once I get that package and I open it, it's like, oh my God, me? Thank you. Thank you so much for sending this to me, mate. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these with you. This is for the month of September. Oh my gosh, can you believe that September is basically over? That's crazy. And good news for me. My birthday is on October 1st and I am so excited. I'm gonna be 32. I feel like every year that passes, it's just, I don't know, like not a lot changes. I still feel young. I still feel young and beautiful and wonderful and smart and sexy and all of the above. So whatever I'm doing, I guess must be working, right? Well, anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing these. The first one that I'm gonna do is Ipsy. So Ipsy's a $10 a month subscription. And ooh, this one's really cute. This one has lashes on them. So it usually comes in a little bag like this. Super cute. Lashes are my fave. Only on Ipsy shopper, 30% off, or 30% cash back on all of these. Ooh, nice. So the first thing I am pulling out of here is the SMASHBOX Photo Finish Primerizer. This is a primer and a moisturizer all in one. Ooh la la. I like that. Although what I do is I just put my moisturizer on first and then I put my primer on. But you do kind of have to like wait until it dries down. So that's pretty convenient, all in one. The second thing in here I'm putting out. I'm pulling this out. Okay, anyway, other thing though, anyway, the next thing I'm pulling out of here is this Glamour Dolls eyeliner. So I'm assuming it's a pencil eyeliner. I'm not sure what color it is in. It doesn't quite say. Oh, haha, yes it does. Blue. I don't know if you can see that. Well, anyway, it says blue. So I'm assuming it's a blue eyeliner. I'll open it up in a minute, don't worry. Okay, the next thing is here is a TRÈSTIQUE lip color. Funny story about these type of lipsticks. Well, you see how it kind of like has a colored tip, right? Well, you open it up and it's actually like a lippy, right? My mom came over here and she was trying to put this on and she's like, oh, okay, it's already open. Try to put it on. She's like, oh my God, there's no color coming off. Try to put it on really, really hard, just, and realized that it was closed. Got a good laugh out of that. Okay, so next thing in here is this cheek blush from, ooh, geez, don't break it. I think this is DOUCCE? I don't really know. But I do like this brand. I've gotten them in the past and they're pretty pigmented, very good quality. Not a lot of like fallout or anything like that, so that's good. And then the last thing in here is this HEMPZ Herbal HEMPZ Pure Herbal Extracts Triple Moisture Herbal Whipped Body Cream. Oh, it smells so fresh and refreshing and all of the good stuffs. So that's all that I have in my Ipsy. Pretty good stuff. Okay, fine. I'll open the eyeliner just to see if it's really blue. Let's check it out. If I could freaking open, how do you even, where's the little, okay. Does anybody else struggle with opening these plastic thingies? I know I'm not the only one, don't lie. Don't lie. Okay, here we go, here we go. Why is this the hardest thing to, come on guys, come on. This is like the hardest thing to open. And since my birthday's in like, I don't know, 2 or 3 days, who's counting, right? This is kind of like me opening a present for myself. Okay. It is blue. Okay. Okay. Ew. It's like a metallic-y blue. Can you see that? Come on, focus, focus. Very nice. I don't have anything like this, so that's actually pretty exciting. Trying new stuffs. That's why I like these subscriptions. Okay, so next up is my Birchbox. So it comes in a box. Inside of another box. And let's dive in, shall we? Oh, it always has this like insert too. Has like a description of all the stuff. And the first thing I am pulling out of here is this Juliette Has a Gun Anyway. And this is, what is it? What is it? Doesn't say, oh, it's a perfume sample. Okay, okay, okay. So I was like, ooh, what is this? What does this even mean? Is this like a decoded message? Like, what's going on there? Okay, next up we have this Chella Hello Beautiful Eyes Tantalizing Taupe. Ugh, I am the worst with like saying these like type of colors. It's T-A-U-P-E. Taupe? Taupe? I don't know. Anyway, it's an eyebrow color. It's an eyebrow pencil. So I'll be trying that out. I'm actually going to be trying all of these in my Insta stories. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me, girl. Go follow. I'll wait. Don't worry. Go ahead. Go ahead, boo-boo. Go. Oh, okay. So next up we have this No Poreblem primer. This is from the band, oh my god, I can't speak. Okay, this is from the brand Touch in Soul, and it is a primer. Very cute, very cute. Next up we have Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. This is from the brand Sunday Riley, which is actually a very popular brand. And, ooh, got a lid on my nose there. Doesn't smell like anything, but it's very well-known company. Oh, and I actually love this brand, High Performance Hair Care from N4. And this is a smoothing balm. Okay, so that's everything that I had in my Birchbox. Okay, so last but not least, we're gonna be doing my Macy's Beauty Box. So this one, oh, I forgot to mention. So Ipsy's $10 a month, the Birchbox is $10 a month, and then this one is $15 a month. It's actually almost $16 a month, but it is my favorite one because it has a lot of skincare products in it, and it usually has like really nice size samples. Why did that take so long to say? I don't know. Okay, so this time they sent a bag that's, holy moly, okay. This is a nice size bag, jeez. Alrighty, and it says, oh, I don't sweat, I sparkle. That's so me. I sparkle all the time, guys. At the gym, I'm always sparkling really hard. Anyway, so it always comes packaged like this in pink paper. Super feminine and girly. Okay. Oh, and it always has a booklet that has like a description of all the stuff, and it does come with a little coupon inside. Sometimes it has a $5 coupon, sometimes it has a $10 coupon, and it's so that you can use it on the stuff that they send you, or anything pretty much on the Macy's website. So that's pretty cool. Okay, so the first thing that I have in here is this Jimmy Choo fragrance. So I'm gonna be, oh my God, I can't speak. I'm gonna be trying that later. My hair is just, can you please get it together, girl, get it together. Okay, so, oh, wait a minute. So I guess they have male and female, because it says man on there. I'm very confused, I don't know. But next up we have, what? Okay, this is Uni Shower Sheets, large body wipe instantly cleanses, refreshes, and deodorizes. So maybe this is good for like after the gym, you know, you go to the gym, you want to wipe down some sweat before you go get some groceries or something like that. I'm assuming that that's when you would use something like that. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, next up we have this Donna Karan Cashmere Mist. This is a deodorant. This is very, ow, I scratched the crap out of myself. God. Oh my God, you guys. Ugh, this smells so refreshing and amazing. I wish there was smell-o-vision so that you can smell that, because it smells bloody amazing. Can you please? My hairs are everywhere. Ugh. Ah! Look at this. I got the same thing in one of my other beauty boxes. So this is gonna be going to my mom. This is Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Okay. Next we have this Clinique Chubby Stick. This is the lip balm. Pretty berry color too. I really like that. I don't really have a lot of berries. I have a lot of mauves. I don't know if you've seen my favorite like nude collection. I'm gonna actually pop up a little card up here so that you can check it out. But yeah, it's a lot of similar colors, and I didn't notice that I bought a lot of similar colors. But I feel like the finishes of them are very different. Don't judge me. I love my nudes. Anyway, so the last thing in here, right? The last thing, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah. The last thing in here is this Dr. Bronner 18-in-1 Hemp Peppermint Pure, oh my God, okay. This Pure Castile. Okay, so it's soap. After me trying to read all of that, it's basically soap. So that's basically everything that I got in my subscription beauty boxes. As you see, I got fragrances, I got skincare, I got lip products, I got eyeliners, basically a little bit of everything. And that's what I like about it, because you can kind of just try new things, you know, kind of get out of your comfort zone. And I definitely need that, because I keep on buying the same stuff and I'm like, I need to try new things. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and comment down below, like, do you have any beauty subscriptions? Do you use like any of the coupons that they send you? Do you love other beauty subscriptions like the Sephora Play, or I don't know, there's a whole bunch out there. But if you see that there's another one that I should try, let me know. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.